How far now you dey?
What's up?
I dey. Oh, shey you hear say na dem Workchop win this listener choice award.
My dear, I see her.
You see the margin?
I see her. Not this small.
60.4 twins daddy 60.4.
How many people vote?
They say they get 333 responses. Because I know say wetin you go talk. Anyways, you dey live. You dey live. So lady Jane say make I ask you. I say make I ask wetin you feel about her. Say I don't tell you. I say I never tell you. She say make I call you, make everybody hear your voice right now.
Because of waiting, because you should win this. You may go sleep.
They may go sleep. Jealousy go kill you for there. Only a year. I go and leave. Yes, I go and leave with my full chest because you said you go and leave. You where you dey right now? You dey inside here. What you go do me? What you go do? You don't fear you. I don't go come back with plenty arsenal for you.
Wow,
so you're dead. You're dead. You're dead on arrival.
Abba, what's going on here?
Whatever you dey plan is dead on arrival.
The two of you now this. How many distance away?
Now you start time now. Now you start time. He like wahala. He don't like peace. So I don't come with plenty wahala for him. I go show him pepper. Never see. Keep quiet, my friend, and say congratulations. Stop this your jealousy. Keep quiet, dear. Keep quiet. Celebrate with other people. We go make an apple for you too. Only a year. Keep quiet, dear. No.
He said down the road. See, they come for you.
Come for who? You can come for yourself. We go lost. So if you try that cover, you go lost. But president go fire away. Come back. You know you go lost. Wait see.
Come on, small voting.
Hey, come on, small vote. Jealousy. Woo!
Hey, God. Okay. Sis, I almost call you Sisters. Because Sisters' name, they come off right now. Sis, Daddy, I wish you and Lady J the best tomorrow till I'm back. Men I know said the company on fire.
We company on fire. I don't need that one. I choose my battles.
You say waiting.
I said she don't go know where she go drop.
No waiting.
Hey God.
You say waiting. You say I'm not gonna waiting.
He said the way he go fire you when he come. He said you go write letter say you go
you dey waste your time R&B. Oh no one na mat. I come with scissors, I come with needle and thread, so I come with iodide gum, everything to gum that your mat because I come prepared for you. So nothing say now leave you 9 there. I came prepared for you. The same way you go show me. Now you go beg Becca to come back from that leave. Yeah, God forbid. Keep quiet, my friend. What do you did take me for?
Oh yeah, bye.
What did you take me for?
Hey. Oh my God! No, they don't put me for me too.
You put me for me too. What's happen?
Don't put me for me too. You are like, I'm not gonna kill me.
What's happen? I can't prepare for him. You go do what you go do me. You go pursue me. Come on.
Jesus. Somebody say make I no call the call. Say they don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. Please tell Lady J to keep it up.
Nado. This is where I go come back. I review so many things. I choose my battles. Well. So if R&B feel say he get, I don't come back with some ginger.
Jesus.
Don't come back with some power. So making things say he get I get too. Hey. And secondly, I be woman. So we women we sabi as we they do our thing. Make him sit down for there.
Okay. Yeah. Hey, people say, tomorrow go hot. On top across the bridge. People don't understand message. Across the bridge, tomorrow go hot. People just say, it go hot. All right. Me, say, when I do on my leave, I go try to tune in the moment 11 o'clock knock tomorrow.
Say, go fire me. So I go on leave again. You know well, though. If now you employ me, you go talk.
Hey, this person say, why you cut the corner, Becca? I cannot wait for tomorrow boost. Okay, all right. They say maybe cancel the across the bridge right now. Wait for tomorrow. Till R&B go come, but we know they cancel across the bridge. Yeah, because they want you know say these people they be lover of war. they are in the Boski Baos.
I was surprised if you try anything, there is something called the door. I could just tell them this. You know this Craig David song.
Which one?
I'm walking away from the troubles in my life. I'm walking away. I know they fight every fight. I choose my battles.
Okay. All right. Talking about choosing battles right now. You got one post where be they walk around. You know, and when the post come out, I remember 7 Tuesday, fast, he said that to me, say, Becca, you don't see this message, this post. I say, I don't see him, but I wanted to be sure before I go actually talk 1 or 2 things onto the matter. So for that post, they talk say the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Sadiya Faruku, they talk say he gets some money when they had to the ministry budget the sum of 206 billion for inside the post where wake up, you know, that yesterday. They talk say they say they won't use that money, they won't use that and buy some furniture. I won't go through well. They talk say okay, that one the one where we say they talk say she they request for 8.92 million naira for World Bank loan to take buy furniture, stationery and others. And the Sahara reporters now them been they talk that one. So why that one still they go on? You get another one where be the waka around where we say they talk say how 206 billion was smuggled into budget of Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs. So as that one the waka now, the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Madam Zainab Ahmed, she don't come out right now, and of course she appeared before the Senate Committee on Special Duties on Monday, November 21, to defend the 2023 budget. Now Zainab Ahmed be her name? No, Sadiya Umar Farouk.
Farouk.
Now the name of the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Disaster Management, while the finance minister na the other woman, the Zainab Ahmed. So they be 2 different people entirely. So appearing for before the Senate Committee on Special Duties on Monday, November 21, to defend that 2023 budget, they say Farouk Ukor talk say the ministry requested some project for the North East Development Commission and the National Social Safety Net project in 2022 budget where they released but was surprised to see an inflated amount in the 2023 budget ministry when they come ask about the inflated 206 billion naira budget. Now for there she come talk say yes, we made mention of the project for 2022 that were not released, and part of it was for the NEDC. The money was not released, and now that we have seen it recurring by almost 10-fold, we are also going to seek clarification from the Ministry of Finance to know why the increase occurred despite the fact that the previous year the money requested was not released for the project. You don't understand what they go on right now. You understand?
I listen to you.
So now these are 2 women.
Okay.
You know, the Minister of Humanitarian and the Minister of Finance right now. So she talks say for 2022 they mention one project. Before 20, they mentioned one project where they want use some money for, and now for the NEDC be that money. So the consider now they are surprised right now. Say the news where they work out now, they talk saying like 10-fold increase. They on top of that money. So that means the money
don't increase.
The money don't increase, and not be waiting. They actually pull forward as the money where they want use for that NEDC project. You understand what they go on right now.
So something they wrong somewhere. Something balance.
Yeah. So when Senator Elisha Abo Conde talk, one of the senators waiting for the Senate, he can say this is serious. We cannot continue to borrow money and plunge this country into debt for our children's sakes to come and pay without investing in what they will see. The chairman of the committee, Senator Yusuf, moved a motion to summon the minister, the finance minister, that woman, to make she can explain the 206 billion where we say she put inside the budget, because not be this amount. The minister of the this other woman waiting be her name. Not be this money the other woman talk. So but now by the time this news come the waka, they hear 206 billion. Whereas if like say make me and you now you be minister of something, I be minister of something. So for the year 2022, you put a budget out already. Say okay, now this amount of money you go need for this NEDC project, blah 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 blah. So but because now me be the minister of finance, somehow whatever thing go pass through me before it enter be in a house of Senate, house of Assembly, house of whatever. So I can't add 10 folds to the money where you say you won't use for that project. I had them. Even without, of course, I know inform you. Say I dey had money, but normally if you don't talk, say now this also amount of money you need for the budget. What be the need for that extra 10 folds?
Then we say no need for that extra 10 fold now. The money where they where them been budget before, suppose they enough for waiting they be want do even with I'm not gonna say extra, even with balance. I don't know if you understand what they try to talk. The money supposed to enough. So if the money not there enough, so they do tenfold increment on it. Now be say obviously they don't put on hand for that one. They don't shop that one. So as it is that the money no reach, they now need to add to one. Can't even add extra on top. So that even as we did somebody they add on top, they go see the one where they go come out. Now waiting they go on.
So now a lot of people they talk say these two women we need to fear them actually. Because we all know the case of Desiani. Out the money way she lalobo. We know how the story take be. So a lot of people talk say by the time these women finish from this tenure, EFCC they need to actually really look into their matter. Because now two different stories entirely they come from this budget.
Now it make fear women don't the trend since Saturday.
I think so.
Fear women don't the trend since Saturday. Even up until yesterday, fear women still the trend. So now issues like this now they make people they say fear women because somebody say women are be hide things. If you won't hide anything, give them to woman. If we go join yourself, they find that thing.
Where you don't wait between a she take.
Now she take now she hide them but now she go join you. So you not go even know whether. Now I just remember something where happened this morning. I no go talk before people go come they drag me say I do something.
Okay. All right, now how we say we go get onto Across the Bridge right now, but that 11:30 don't stand at attention. Now time for me to step out and of course allow Lady JJ Sam Peter one of Naija FM to take over our workshop. And don't forget say my own leave they start tomorrow. Yeah. And I will come back till don't worry, we miss you to where you were not around. So you need to miss me actually.
I know you know bad if I miss you.
So I will come back by December 7th. Of course, Twins Daddy and I go carry the arrangement of morning runs from now till December 7th, where I will come back in my full glory and in my full regalia. So, but right now, I just step aside. See you all till December 7th. I just say peace out to you all. God bless you.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.